guys, today I'm going to open this Play-Doh Cinderella Sparkle Compound. So there's two Play-Dohs and they're super sparkly, and the pink has sparkles. If you can look, I don't think you can see that sparkle and shimmer in the pink. And here we've got like the white one, and it's hard to see it in the camera. Look how sparkly it is. So let's open this up and see what's inside. There you go. Let's take out this. And here is it. Here's a sparkly Play-Doh. Ooh. Look at how so fancy it is. Here's a crown where you can actually put this Cinderella stamp. You can actually stamp it like a ink stamp. I don't exactly know how to put this in here. Okay, I think I put it in. So you can actually make hearts in here. Gem hearts in this one. Let me just flip it. So here it is. You can make gem hearts out of Play-Doh. And here we've got the Play-Doh cutter. And you can actually cut it. What's this? Okay. Actually cut Play-Doh with it. So let's start making some cool stuff. Here I have a plate here to make that cool stuff. First we're going to make the stamp. So I think I'm gonna make it like silver shimmery color. Oh my gosh, that is so cool, you guys. It's so shimmery and sparkly. Wow, it's my first time seeing this Play-Doh. My first time having a sparkly Play-Doh. Ooh, it's so soft. Wow. Okay. Oh, it's actually adding glitter in my hands. I hope it doesn't lose all the glitter, so it could be glittery. Okay, so I'm going to make the stamp now. So we need a lot of Play-Doh for the stamp. Okay, so I'm just gonna take out some Play-Doh. Use all of the Play-Doh inside. There you go. And then I'm gonna put it in the plate. Just gonna mold it in. Ooh, that's so cool. And then I'm gonna mold it. And I'm gonna stamp it. So I'm gonna stamp it now. It's like making cookies. Royal cookies. It's so cool, you guys. Wow. Look at that. Look at Cinderella. This is so cool. Wow. So we can cut it out of this. We can cut it. This is hard. So I'm just going to peel it off. And I'm going to cut the excess. I'm going to put this in here. Go. Oh, look at how sparkly my hand is. And now I'm going to peel off the excess. Go. Oh, that looks pretty. Just tuck off the excess. Cause it, yeah. Oh, this looks super pretty, you guys. Wow, look at that. Now, let's see if we can actually cut this piece. Okay, look, you guys, look at it. Look at it, guys. I'm gonna cut it. Ooh, oh. It's hard to cut with this thing. Ooh, it actually cuts things like that. Wow, look, yummy. Now I can have this pink to go with the heart gems. Whoa. This one's sparkly too, but I think the silver one is more sparkly. Yeah, you can see that sparkles in the pink one. they should have been just add pink glitter so it's more cooler. Okay, so now let's make the gems. Oh. This is actually cool, but it's a fail one. Let's make another one for the other pieces. There you go. Look at that cute gem. Now I'm gonna add 2 more. Oh, my hand is so glittery right now, you guys. If you could just see it for real life, you will see all the glitters in my hand. I hope we don't waste glitter in the Play-Doh. There you go. Now we made a cookies. Okay, so bye guys. See you next time. Hope you subscribe, leave a comment down, and like. Bye.